Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. So today I will be doing the Making Spirits Bright transfer. It is part of our Watts of Love transfers. When you buy a Watts of Love transfer for $2, that goes to our solar technology and educational globally partner. Tell you I'm going to be doing it on this Aiden board. It's a 9x12 and our paste is going to be Shimmer Harvest and Bright White. Now let's get started. This is a reusable board. It comes in your designer kit if you are a designer. And I've used this board several times. And if I decided I didn't like it at all, if you did it and you decided you didn't like it, you can always just wet it and start all over. But I'm happy I fixed it. I like the way it turned out. Yeah, I think it turned out really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. And all of my details and my links are below. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.